Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both ends, your Google form and an Excel file stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. Open the form and click Responses, then create the linked Google Sheet so submission data flows into it. Once done, decide whether you'll export CSVs manually or set up an automated connector using Power Automate or Make. Make sure to name columns consistently. This preserves mapping. Now that the source and destination exist, we move to building the automation or export routine. You'll now configure the automation. Open Power Automate or Make and create a new flow with the Google Sheets trigger for a new row. Authenticate Google and Office accounts when prompted. Then map each Google Sheet column to the corresponding Excel table column. This step prevents mismatches. Make sure the Excel file contains a named table, flows right to tables only. Also add error handling or retries in the flow settings, so small network glitches don't drop records. Finish by testing. Submit several form entries and watch the flow run, confirming data lands in the Excel table. If columns are blank or misaligned, return to the flow and fix mappings or update the Excel table schema. Once stable, schedule or enable the flow for continuous operation. If syncing halts, check authentication tokens, file permissions, and whether the target file was moved or renamed. Resetting connections usually resolves that. You're done once every submission reliably appears in Excel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.